The first mistake people make when they get pulled over for a possible DWI is answering any questions from the officer. The first question that they usually answer that hurts them is, have you been drinking? Have you had anything to drink tonight? Do not answer that question. That is the first and most major mistake. Say, I invoke my right to remain silent. I cannot speak without an attorney. Once you say, yeah, I've had something to drink, or I had a couple of drinks, you're getting pulled out of the car, you're getting investigated, and you're probably getting arrested. The next mistake people make when they get pulled over for a DWI is agreeing to do the field sobriety tests. So nobody's going to pass those tests. All that ever happens is people give more evidence against themselves by trying to attempt those tests. So just say, officer, I respectfully refuse. The next mistake people make when they've been pulled over for a DWI is agreeing to the breath or blood test. Okay, so once you get arrested, then the officer is going to ask you to submit to a breath or blood test. Agreeing to take that test is always a mistake. Do not agree to take it. Say, I refuse. Yes, your license may be suspended, but if you take the test and you fail it, your license could be suspended too. And in either event, you have a right to a hearing regarding whether or not your license is suspended, which we can often win. So that's the next mistake in agreeing to the test. If you don't agree to the test, then the officer has to get a warrant. So keeping them from having to get a warrant is another mistake, because when they have to get a warrant, quite often the affidavit that they use to get the warrant is legally insufficient. If you consent to that test, then we're not going to be able to challenge the admissibility of that test, or at least not from a warrant standpoint.